Hey YouTube, this is going to be a quick video on some EDC pens and pencils. I haven't found a whole lot of information out there on EDC pens and pencils, but it's something I typically try to carry every day, either a pen or a pencil. So I just thought I'd show you a couple of things that I use and like. I'll tell you this, I haven't found anything that I've thought to be a perfect fit for me. I'm definitely still looking and open to ideas if anybody has any. But these are kind of what I've tried and what my thoughts are on them. Maybe I can save you some time and energy and money. But let you know what my thoughts are. So anyway, this first one here is a Graphigear 500. It's a little mechanical pencil. The pros, it's super light. It really writes very nicely. It's got an eraser up here in the cap. So kind of a cool mechanical pencil. I really like the way it writes. Very light. It's got a nice clip here. My complaint would be that the clip is so rigid. It's hard if you're going to carry it like in a pants pocket. It's almost impossible. You can do it, but you really got to torque on that clip there. It's designed, I think, more to go in a shirt pocket. So the clip is not great. Also, the clip is, it seems like I catch it on things all the time, and if you catch your hand or something on here, it's not real pleasant. So anyway, I don't love the clip, but I love the mechanical pencil. I've got 2 or 3 of these in different sizes. Really light. I like the mechanical pencil. I like carrying a pencil. I found this works great, like with the field notes. I really like this pencil, but the clip I'm not in love with. This one is a Midori brass pencil. Kind of a cool one. I bought this one a while back. It's got the brass on the outside here, so it kind of gets a cool look. It's got a nice soft pink eraser there, and then the pencil itself just goes. Hard to do with one hand. Goes in right there, and you've got a nice pencil when you want to use it. That's full size. It's got a great smell to it. It really smells like a brand new sharp pencil. I do like this one. It's pretty lightweight. It's pretty small because it can go into itself. My cons with this one, also the clip I don't love. Same story. It's very, very rigid. It sticks up quite a bit even when you have it down there. Same thing with this one. It sticks out of your pocket a lot, and this thing catches, and I've caught my hand on it several times. I've tried just dropping this in my pocket as well. I think I like that a little bit better, but it seems like it goes sideways a lot, and then you kind of get, you're getting poked and whatever. It's not super hard, but this one I think is okay. I don't love it. I'm still trying to find a pencil that I really like, but just kind of another cool option. I like the brass. I love the smell of this one. But it's not something I find myself carrying very often because I don't love the clip, and I haven't found a great way to carry it. This one's a Fisher Space Pen. A lot of you guys have seen these before. This one I've actually lost probably 3 or 4 times. Luckily I found it each time. And I hate to carry this one because these darn things are so expensive. I keep losing it. So I've tried clipping it. I don't really trust the clip. It's kind of a weak clip. I've lost it when it's been clipped to my pocket. I've also tried just carrying it down in. If you sit down on a couch or something and your pocket is it all tilted back, you'll lose it back there in the cushions. So like I said, I've lost this one a lot of times. The clip is, I don't trust it very much. And it's so small, which is a great pro, but also a con because it'll just fall out of your pocket. If you're sitting on a couch or a chair, it's so small and light, it's easy to lose. So I found myself not carrying this one very often because it's expensive to replace, and I don't want to lose it, so I don't carry it that often. But it writes great. It's small. It's light. Someday maybe I'll buy just several of them and won't care. But I only have one of these right now, so I don't really want to lose it. But it is a nice weight. It writes great. I like the way it looks. Dropping it in the pocket works okay, but again, I worry about losing it. I found it kind of works better to drop it into your watch pocket or one of the smaller pockets in a pair of jeans, but I don't always have that in what I'm wearing. This last one is a big, heavy, kind of clunky brass pen. This one I think I got on eBay. I think it was like $7 or $8. But I kind of like it. At first I hated it because it was so heavy, and the clip is big and kind of obnoxious. But the clip does clip very securely. I've never had an issue with this one coming out of my pocket. It's an easy clip to you can just slide it in and it goes right over your pocket, slide it right back out. It's got the glass breaker / attitude adjuster here on the back. You just open it here with the little, it's almost like the bolt of a rifle. It's got a great feel to it. It's kind of got you know, some grooves and stuff in it, so it's got a nice feel. It's got a nice heavy weight, but my complaint with it probably would be that it is heavy. You know, and when you have stuff in your pockets, it's pretty big and pretty heavy. I'd like to find something that was similar, but a little bit smaller. But I do like the look of the brass. So I found I carry this one a fair amount, but it's kind of heavy, kind of bulky, but at least I trust the clip and trust it'll stay in my pocket, and it looks cool. So anyway, those are just some of my options for EDC pens and pencils. Like I said, I haven't found anything that I really like yet, that I carry every day. I kind of rotate through these, and other times I just carry plain pens that I don't care if I lose. So anyway, let me know if you have any ideas for EDC pens or pencils. Share your thoughts. Hopefully I've helped you a little bit trying to make the decision if you're going to start carrying a pen or a pencil. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Take care. God bless.